Hey, this is Mikey Borup, and this is section 1, getting started of creating motion typography. Now this section is for people that have never done anything in After Effects before to get you started. It's not going to be a complete After Effects course. It's just to get you familiar with the program. Now, if you're already familiar with the program, feel free to go ahead and skip to section 2, where we're actually going to be getting into motion typography. This first section is just on After Effects and getting started. We're going to be talking about why use After Effects, an overview of the interface, talk about some hotkeys, and then rendering and exporting. So first off, why use After Effects? There's a few reasons. Number one, it's an open system. That means there's lots of plugins, lots of scripts, and lots of presets available to make your job easier. Now, in a separate video, I'm going to be going over some very useful scripts and plugins in order to help you with motion typography. Next reason is there's a huge knowledge base. There's hundreds of thousands of videos and tutorials and papers and websites that help you to learn how to use After Effects, just like this course right here. The next reason is it's familiar yet very powerful. If you've ever used any Adobe product, Premiere, Photoshop, Illustrator, then lots of these tools are going to be familiar. But it's not going to be dumbed down. You're going to be able to do lots and lots of things with it. It's very, very powerful, and there's so much you can do with After Effects. It's also reasonably priced. Now, I say reasonably priced because it depends on where you're at in your life. If you are wanting to learn to do After Effects and maybe do one video a month here and there, then it may be a little bit expensive because Adobe is now on a subscription-based platform, which means it's a monthly fee to get access to everything they have. So for what you're getting, you're paying, it's pretty cheap. So depending on if you're a student or not, or a teacher, you can get different prices. Sometimes it's $30 to $20 for a student. If you're not a student, then it's $50 a month. So if you haven't yet subscribed to Creative Cloud, consider doing so. I highly recommend it. There's so many great things you can do, even if it's not just After Effects. You've got video editing, you've got photo manipulation, you've got vector artwork. So there's a mass amount of things you can do with the Creative Cloud. There's a link in the text section of this video where you can go and get the Creative Cloud. And lastly, it is the industry standard for motion typography. No other program even comes close to the user base and of what you can do in this field of work.